Math used in school library. A school library is not just a place filled with books. It's a space where hidden math concepts quietly play a big role in keeping everything organized and efficient. From sorting and classifying books to managing time and space, math is everywhere in the library. By exploring how mathematical ideas work behind the scenes, students can discover how useful and practical math is in real life. Measurement and geometry. Students use measurement to determine the length, width, and height of shelves and books. This helps in arranging books neatly, maximizing space, and calculating the area and volume of different sections in the library. Data handling and statistics. By collecting data on borrowed books, popular genres, or author preferences, students can organize information into bar graphs or pie charts. They can also apply probability to predict the chances of a specific book being available. Classification and numbering. The Dewey Decimal System uses numbers to classify books into subjects, like 500 for science. Understanding this system reinforces number sense, sequencing, and logical order, helping students locate and organize books efficiently. Time and scheduling. Math is used to calculate borrowing periods, track due dates, and determine how many days are left before a return is due. It also helps in scheduling reading sessions and managing time slots for different classes. Budgeting and financial math. Students can learn to calculate the total cost of new book purchases, apply percentage discounts during book fairs, and manage a fixed library budget. This introduces them to real-world financial decision-making, logical reasoning, and patterns. Organizing books in alphabetical or numerical order requires logic and critical thinking. Recognizing patterns in borrowing habits or book arrangement strengthens reasoning and helps improve library efficiency. Basic arithmetic math is used to count the total number of books, track how many are borrowed or returned, and maintain accurate inventory records. Adding or removing books from the system reinforces basic addition and subtraction skills. And so, the next time you step into a library, remember, it's not just a home for books, but also a secret kingdom of mathematics. From the careful arrangement of shelves, using symmetry and patterns, to tracking due dates and calculating late fees with time and money concepts, math is quietly at work behind every story.